is up, YouTube? What a beautiful afternoon here on the ranch. So anyways, it's been a while since I did a video, and I need to do an update at least on the 63 and what's going on and everything. Plus tomorrow is day one of C10 Nationals here in Tennessee, and we'll talk a little bit about that too. So let's head over to the shop and get this update going. All right, there's the shop. Go ahead and walk on over here. Open up. Got some stuff I got to do. I got stuff to unload from the truck, my other truck. And like I said, we're gonna basically just do an update on what's been going on. I kind of feel like Mr. Rogers here. Yes, that is the front door to my shop. Whatever happens in the garage stays in the garage. So here it is. All right, let me open the doors up. Get some light in here. I don't know how the audio is going to do because I don't have my mics on yet. But anyways, there's the 63 and its new home. All right, my lawnmower. So let's come on over here to the workbench and set my stuff down and get my mics on, and we'll get back. I'll get you back on here in just a sec. Okay, so we're back. How's everybody doing? Anyways, so as some of you already know from last couple of videos, we made the move out of state. We now live in another state, and the property that we bought came with a 30 by 40 shop. Okay, and we've only been here 4 months. I've been doing little things here and there, getting it all, unpacking boxes and putting stuff up, where I might use it the most and everything. And I pretty much got it all squared away now to the point where I can go ahead and get back on the 63. I mean, realistically, I wish I could have got it running, even to get it to C10 Nationals this weekend. Actually starts today for the vendors and all them, I guess it is. They go set up and everything. But tomorrow is actually like the first official day, I guess you would say. And anyways, let me show you what I got done. So let's start over here in this corner. All right, well, I got my gas cans right there. Got my trailer out there. Lawnmower. For now, this is temporary. This is still temporary because it's still not sure where I'm going to put it at, but I don't want to leave it outside in the elements. Table saw. That's just a cart with truck parts. Got coils and headers and stuff on it. Welding cart, power washer, vise and grinders. This stuff is temporary here because here in this wall, I just picked something up that's going to go perfect right there, and I'll show you that in just a sec. Anyways, this will be basically, this part of the shop will be basically my mechanic corner, I guess you would call it. Got my toolboxes and all that pretty much in place. Got the air compressor all hooked up and everything. And then this corner over here, this is my paint section here. As you can see, I have right next to the air compressor. All right, I got my paint cups and stuff up there. Got my sanders and all that, my masks, mixing boards, paint guns. Got sawhorses there and sawhorses back there. Bins full of truck parts, all these 3 bins here, everything that's in there is going to go on a 63. Okay. Got all my sandpapers and stuff like that up there, tape and mixing sticks and buckets. What little bit of paints I do have left over from the start of the project. Got Bondos and truck bed coatings, and some primers and clear single stage paints, spray can paints. Over here I got little miscellaneous tools. I got like a drill press and a miter saw and a belt saw and a couple extra little tools here in case I'm working over here on this side. I don't have to walk all the way over there to my toolbox. Got these little bins here. This pegboard was here, by the way. This pegboard, and then that shelf and that shelf there. This shelf here was just like miscellaneous screws and nails and stuff like that. Okay, that's what's in there. Okay, got my hammers and all that there. Got my tape measures, blah blah blah. Just miscellaneous tools and little pile of junk I still haven't got put up yet. Little stuff like this I can hang, razor blades and jigsaw blades and all kinds of other stuff there. This cabinet here, we have miscellaneous nuts and bolts and stuff. So, and if I ever need to, staples and stuff like that. My charging station for my battery powered stuff. Really the only battery powered tool that I have aside from gardening tools is my drill. All the other stuff is for like my weed eater and not my weed eater, my hedge trimmers. Okay. Then I got other miscellaneous tools up here and stuff. Got license plates that I've had vehicles from. Got my microwave. This microwave actually, I use it for, I got all these fishworm molds for plastics, for fishing bait plastics and stuff. I'll do a video on that later. I did one already, but I'll do some more, for that. And then, of course, like I say, we got just miscellaneous stuff, a little bit of truck collection there. Those are my son's Tonkas that he don't play with no more. Over here I got my reloading table so I can reload my own ammo. And over there I got all my garden tools and stuff put away, my ladders. So then got some patio furniture we haven't found place for. All my camera equipment for my YouTube stuff. And in the middle have our bikes, which we pretty much can't do now anymore because bodies are pretty busted up. Got my little Honda 450. Got my grills. Got some cedar wood to build some shelves for my wife in her shed. Got my little utility trailer that I drag along the ranch with, right, behind my lawnmower. And of course the 63. Got all the lights on it and everything. I still got got the carpet, the firewall cover. This one here is the fuel line from the tank to the engine. I still got to do my grill. Okay, I got to put away my fishing poles too. But I'm going to show you the inside. The inside's almost pretty much done. Oh, first of all, too, got my wiring kit from American Auto Wiring. Down there, I have my air conditioning unit that's going to go in the truck. All right, so it's going to have AC in it. Otherwise, my wife said she won't drive around with me. But you got this little fancy gas cap where you just flip it up. It's got a lock on it. And then you just flip it back. So anyway, got the red and white seat. Okay, door panels are done, all that. Dash is done, steering wheel's done. I got all the padding, soundproofing, and all that stuff there done. Top's done. Back windows all in. Everything's all done. I need speakers there for the ends. I need speaker for the doors. I also need my door handle, my armrest for the doors. Get out of there, bug. Okay. I got to paint the mirror still. I got to paint this fender here, the window cowl, and the passenger side fender, because I had to put them on to move the truck over here. Got my windshield. It's the original windshield. Okay. I got to finish the grill. You saw the grill in the back. Got the bumper on it. That'll come off here in a few. All right. Got to do, like I said, the passenger side fender. Got to paint the mirror. But yeah, that's where we're at on this, on the 63. All right. And this is my new digs. So put my fan up yesterday. A couple of little Chevy tins that I've gathered. It doesn't look like much in this huge shop. It looked like a lot in the garage, because it was just a single 2-car garage. But anyways, so these 2 tables right here, okay, I forgot to show you. I still got a couple things I got to put away. Got to find a place for them. But now that I have the shelves, I'll show you what I guess I kind of gave it away. But anyways, these 2 tables, I cleared them off. I'm got to get them cleared off, because I'm going to start laying out the wiring for the truck. All right. I showed you the box of American Auto wire back there. See, right there. Yeah. So that's what these tables are here for. I'm going to lay out all my wire, get it all set, ready to go. And that'll be my project for next week, is start doing content and start showing you more progress on the 63. And hopefully, my goal is to hopefully maybe by Christmas, fire it up, get it running. Oh, and I didn't show you this here. Yeah, it's no biggie, but I also have my exhaust pipes right there. I still got to put those together. There's the exhaust pipes, so, and I got the MagnaFlows. So that's what we got going on. That's pretty much a quick little update on the new shop. Sorry, I keep getting bit for some reason. Darn mosquitoes. And I was going to show you what I got today, because like this wall right here, okay, as you can see, it's just a big empty wall of sheetrock. Okay, that right there is going to get this. It's in the back of the truck. I still got to unload it. This right here. All right. So we went to our local Walgreens that shut down, and they're selling all the shelves and stuff from the store. And I went in there, and I got 5 shelves with the rack, pegboard, everything, all the hardware I need to put them up for $40. Yes, for $40, I got heavy duty storage shelves that are gonna go right there. And that way, the rest of the stuff you see on the floor is gonna have somewhere to go. Yeah. It's sad to see the Walgreens go out of business here, but at least I got some shelves out of it. So I've got to unload the truck, move the lawnmower over to the other side and lay out the shelves right here on the floor so I can put them up. But anyways, like I said, you know, it's been quite the change, culture change and all that. Like I said, we've been here in our new home for 4 months now, and we're still unpacking. I'm sure a lot of you know how that goes. Still unpacking, still deciding where everything's going to go and how we're going to function and stuff. But I think I'm pretty much done on that part. And now, like I said, it's back to doing content on the truck, get it all running and everything. It'd be nice to drive it for the Christmas parade. Yeah, and definitely hit up some car shows and stuff here locally, and then put it out there, you know, so people can see it and everything. And it'll be a daily driver. It's not a prestige car show luxury truck. It's just it's a clean daily driver. All right, and that's what I've always said. You know, that's all I need. Okay, I just wanted it to be clean. You know, I didn't want to try to make it a car show vehicle because I've never done this before, and I know that I would have had to have taken it down to the frame and all that, and it's like, I am not going to do that. Physically not capable. I don't have all the means for that, so everything I've done myself. And I've done, you know, ask a lot of other fellow YouTubers. I've messaged them and asked them for advice, and they've given me much advice, very, you know, educated advice that helped me a lot. Appreciate that. Shout out to them. I'll name you guys once the truck's done. You know, I'll make a list of everybody who helped me out and everything and do a shout out. Oh man. Anyways, so that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick little update and everything. I know it's probably a longer video than I expected, but I'm going to go ahead and continue on. I got to unload the truck, do a little bit more rearranging in here so I could get started. All right, so want to really, I can't even speak today. I really appreciate all of you that, you know, comment and like and subscribe to my channel and my videos and all that and everything. I know they're not the greatest ones in the, you know, in the world, and they're not that entertaining, but I'm just an old fart, you know, retired and just tinkering in the garage. Okay, and doing YouTube is something to do. It keeps me busy. It's fun to do. I'm not looking to do it for the money or nothing like that. I just want to keep myself occupied during retirement. You know, just things, like I said, something to do. That's all it is. But anyways, y'all have a great day, and maybe we'll see you guys at C10 Nationals tomorrow. You know, I won't be going Saturday, but I'll be going Friday. And yeah, it'd be nice to say hi to you guys and finally meet my fellow YouTubers and all that. So anyways, y'all have a great weekend, great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Later, and God bless.